Hi folks, let me get the camera up and going here. Hey, my name is Matt, and I wanted to do a little video of an issue I've been seeing with some mobile games. Give you a little background on this. The history of artificial intelligence, some of the things that they've always done is apply it to the play of games. Of course, we've all seen chess games. If you keep up with our AI, you'll see that there's a game played heavily in China and Japan and Asia called Go, which AI has completely mastered now. You maybe saw some or read about Google creating DeepMind, which was a program, an AI program that they gave access to the Breakout video game. And within, 1,000 times of playing that game, it had mastered Breakout and basically could clear every screen always forever. AI is good at learning things that have specific parameters and specific rules. So gaming is something that AI is applied to very easily. So I look at that and I look at something that I see taking place in the video game industry right now, and it's kind of like, okay, the next logical step in artificial intelligence applications may go to putting it on some of the mobile games that we play here on our cell phones. So I wanted to show you right here on my phone. I play Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes. And it is a great little game that basically you would build up a crew, and that crew would then be able to battle other teams here. And my crew's not great. It's not bad. I've been playing for probably a year and a half, I'd say. And like I said, I'm good, but I'm not great. If you look at the players that I have here, you'll see that I've built some players up to the somewhat close to maximum levels here. These few at the top of the list, Darth Vader, the TIE Fighter pilot, and this bounty hunter, Dengar. Those three are all kind of in their maxed out phases, and then a lot of other players here. I would say I should be in the mid 50% or so, probably higher than that, maybe 60 to 70, probably not 70% of the players. I'm good, not great. Oops, well, we got an ad for the Mandalorian built in there. Isn't that nice? So we'll put that right on. Come on, go away. Anyways, what do we got going on here? No, thank you. We don't want the Mandalorian. How do I get away from that? There it goes. Okay, anyways, free plug for Disney there. Under this squad arena area here, this picks random other players for you to match up against. And it should be picking players that other humans in the game that are comparable in experience and in wins that you have, point numbers that you have. They have these, power ratings down at the bottom there. And I'll pick this one that's 90,800 here. That should be one that's comparable to me. It looks like 765. I did another sample video of this and it came out terrible. So this is my second shot at it. So battle. I'll let it just pick my best crew, the best people that I have up there. Well, here, I'll do it myself. I'll put in the best players that I have, the top 5. I'll tell it battle. And I didn't even look at the other characters that I would be going against here, but I can pretty much guarantee you, I'm just going to put this on auto battle, which, a human could do possibly a little bit better, but I'm just going to put it on auto because I don't feel like doing all the work. Oftentimes nowadays, the players don't even get a try. Yeah, it looks like this could be one of them, where I won't even get a chance to take a shot at the other team, and I will be defeated. Okay, well, there goes my Darth Vader. He got a chance to take a shot, but now it's back to a hit parade against me. There was kind of maybe another chance. It started to be a chance, and then it ended. I haven't seen myself have a whole lot of shots here, and my guys are taking a pretty hard beating. This, I believe, if you give it, okay, 1 down out of my 5. I believe if you give an AI access to this game, there's 2 down. Well, I guess the one guy came back to life, but anyways, he's being beaten pretty soundly here. You give AI access to this game, which is based on rules, percentages. Oftentimes, your players, your characters get extra benefits based on who they're with, based on different scenarios, and there it goes. I didn't make a dent in a single one of them, and I barely got a few shots off against them. This is clearly, in my opinion, this really seems like a situation where we're seeing AI has been put into this game and is now actually ruining the game. It really is. I'm bringing you back to my camera here. It may take a second to start back up, but it, I feel, is really kind of killing the game, which is a shame because we have people out there, curious AI developers. I don't think they're doing this maliciously any more than they're doing, something where they teach it to play Go or chess and it ends up beating every human in the world. It's just a fact of the matter that they've now taken this and put it into seeing if the AI can create unbeatable teams in a game that all of us are just trying to play for fun. And it's a real shame. This game is made by EA, Electronic Arts. That's their Capital Games. I have a feeling it's the exact same on any group play game, any game which is out there. I don't know if I can't think of any other examples, but any games that you get on your mobile devices have the risk of an AI being put into use out there that's going to ruin the game for everyone. So this is something that the game producers need to figure out. They need to get this worked out. They need to figure out a way to corral the AIs into their own little play field so that only they're competing against other artificial intelligences, because otherwise they're going to lose the interest of people like me. When you can't go and play the game anymore, when you are getting defeated no matter what, and you have a machine that thinks 24/7 and can do all the analytics of looking at all the various aspects of all the various characters, all the benefits you get, all the bonuses you get, all of these things that you can acquire. Sure, humans can do that, but I have a life beyond the Star Wars Galaxy of Video game, Galaxy of Heroes video game, and AIs don't. There's an AI out there working 24/7 with a calculator for a brain that can sit there and figure those things out. It's not fair. It's not going to help you guys. It's going to hurt Electronic Arts' bottom line also. Oh, well, as you can see, it switched off my camera there. Pretty cool little feature, the screen capture, where I just go ahead and I go in and I start the camera and you're able to see me while it's doing the screen recording under Android 9. Great job, Google. You did a good job on this version of the Android operating system. Anyways, that's it. Wanted to just show you guys that. Hope you enjoy the videos. Tune in for more discussion of AI. By the way, I'm super duper pro AI. I love this stuff. Just showing you an application here that, it's a consideration, something we need to look at in the future. Electronic Arts, get busy. Figure out how to make this fair. Bye. Where's the off button on this dang thing? There it is.